Right now, me and my brother, we're heading to Copart to pick up the car I just won. Yeah, so look, we're almost there. So, yeah. Yep, so we're here. Right here. Next project. Oh, looks like it's gonna take a lot of work. Okay. Let's try to crank it up.
You sure Ibrahim?
No. Taking her home, baby. About 140,000 miles. Got some GSR blade, cookie cutters. Comes with 2 pairs of wheels. Probably a full set of GSR blade there, I think.
Yep.
Oh, it is? Probably gonna sell them.
Or give it to me?
Nah. We'll see what happens.
Oh, you could trade.
Nah.
I have a set of wheel too.
Yeah, so let's take her home. Let's see how she drives. So I drove the car home. What the car made it home. Yeah. So let me go through really quick what's wrong with the car. Okay. Obviously the paint job. Ugly diffusers. Cracked windshield. Bad top. No glass. No radio. No bezel. The car burns oil. The engine burns oil. It also overheat. No brake. Well, actually, I think there might be air in the system or something because the brake wasn't that good. No emergency brake. No fender. But besides that, the chassis itself, it's nice. There's no rust. But everything functions. So I guess it's worth the $600. Right now I'm doing the water pump because it's leaking from the weepo and the gasket. Also it's leaking oil from the camshaft seal, so I'm replacing them. Here's the new water pump, the gate water pump. Everything fits fine. I'm using D&J cam seal. Number. And I'm also using their veil cover gasket. Dùng ento lúa took off the cap because I don't have the right socket to push it in. I also find this way it's easier, but then I do prefer the other way. Just quick note, if you guys were to take off the cap, put them on the right spot again. As you guys see here, E's for the exhaust and I's for the intake. Don't get them messed up. Here's how it's set. So it rained, but I managed to finish it, and yeah. So here's the startup. See if it starts. It didn't start the first time because I took out the hose for the brake booster. But then it's actually a few days afterward, and I actually found out that the crank pulley was wobbling, so I have to take it apart and inspect it again. And turns out the crankshaft, where the keyway was bad. I have to take it apart and inspect the keyway and the pulley. Turns out the keyway was bad. So I fixed it with Loctite, and it's actually pretty good. And I also noticed that they swapped the motor with a short nose. Yeah. The smoke right there is actually oil spill on the header. But as you can see there, it no longer wobble. It wobbles less. And it also turns out that the radiator is cracked, so I got to replace it. Probably buy a eBay aluminum radiator, no brand, and switch out the brake booster. But yeah, the project's coming along. And yeah, so look forward to the upcoming video. So So the Miata you guys saw there, it was my ticket to drifting. I actually have high hopes for it, but at that time I moved right afterward, and I moved to a smaller place where there's no parking space, so I had to sell it. And yeah, moved to another place afterward with bigger parking space, so I started racking up cars as you guys can see in the other videos. But anyway, the Miatas are just a nice car, you know. Even something like that, the condition is not that good. It's just really fun to drive the Miatas. They're just like one of those sport cars where you can't go wrong with them. You know, you don't need a lot of power to drive to have fun with them. Yeah, power would be nice, but you know you don't need them. They're fun to drive as is. You know, and I forgot who said it, but then you know if you can't have fun, you know, with 100 horsepower, you know, you're not gonna have fun with 600 horsepower. Yeah, and yeah, that Miata is really nice, but it does need a lot of work. And I sold it with all the parts that I put in also because that's just how good the Miata sells, you know. And that was I sell it in probably early 2020, I think, and that was right before the price hike too, or the price jump. So I sold it for a fair amount of money, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, Probably gonna get another Miata in the future too. So yeah, there's not much to say about that car. And like always, you know, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.